Welcome back. Now we're getting practical. In this video, we're talking about the first real wealth skill anybody needs to develop, cash flow. Because here's the truth most people don't want to hear. If you can't manage what's coming in and going out right now, more money won't fix anything. It'll just create a bigger mess. Cash flow is simply this: what's coming in, what's going out, and what's left over. That's it. But most people have no idea what their actual numbers look like. They feel broke, but they don't know why. They feel like they should have more, but they can't track where it's going. Proverbs 27:23 says, "Be thou diligent to know the state of thy flocks, and look well to thy herds." Translation: pay attention to what you have. Know your numbers, audit what's happening. You can't steward what you don't see. So the first move isn't earning more, it's seeing clearly. We have to know our fixed expenses, rent, utilities, insurance, the things that don't change. We have to know our variable expenses, food, gas, entertainment, things that fluctuate. And we have to know our recurring subscriptions because that's where most of us are bleeding money without realizing it. Once we see it, we can manage it. Once we manage it, we can multiply it. Here's your action step. Sit down this week and write out every single thing money is going toward each month: fixed, variable, and subscriptions. No judgment, just visibility. That one exercise will change how you see money forever. And if you want a complete stewardship system to get your cash flow tight, the Kingdom Cash Flow Blueprint inside our pay track was built for that exact purpose. In video 7, we're going to talk about the difference between assets and liabilities, kingdom style. This one's a game changer. Let's keep going.